Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about everything that makes your home a better place. Today we are diving into the world of cleanliness with a topic that's crucial for every household, vacuum cleaners. But not just any vacuum cleaners, we are discussing the 7 best models that promise to keep your home spotless. Whether you are dealing with pet hair, hardwood floors or those hard-to-reach corners, we have got you covered. So let's jump right in and find the perfect vacuum cleaner for your needs. Let's kick things off with the number 1, the Shark NV360 Vacuum. This vacuum cleaner is a masterclass in versatility and efficiency. Its sleek design not just for show, the Shark NV360 boasts a lift-away feature allowing you to easily clean above floor areas like stairs and furniture. The power of this machine is evident in its deep cleaning capabilities, especially on carpets where it lifts away dirt and debris effortlessly. The Shark NV360 doesn't just clean, it cares for your home's air quality too. With its advanced anti-allergen technology and HEPA filter, it traps over 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, making it an excellent choice for those with allergies. Plus, its swivel steering and portable design make maneuvering around furniture a breeze. But what truly sets the Shark NV360 apart is its thoughtful design for usability. It comes with various attachments including a crevice tool and upholstery brush, ensuring that no corner of your home is left unclean. From its performance on different surfaces to its user-friendly features, the Shark NV360 is a standout choice for true home cleaning. Moving on to number 2, we have the iRobot Roomba 694 Vacuum Cleaner. This robotic vacuum cleaner is a game changer for those who value convenience and innovation. The Roomba 694 brings smart technology right into your home. It's equipped with a suite of intelligent sensors that allows it to navigate around furniture and along edges, ensuring true coverage. What makes the Roomba 694 particularly appealing is its adaptability. It automatically adjusts to clean carpets and hard floors, transitioning smoothly between different types of surfaces. The 3-stage cleaning system is powerful, picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris. And with its Dart Detect technology, it focuses on high-traffic areas where dirt accumulates the most. The Roomba 694 is not just about cleaning, it's about smart living. You can control it with the iRobot Home app or even with your voice via Alexa or Google Assistant. This level of convenience is unparalleled, allowing you to schedule cleanings or start the vacuum from anywhere. Durability and design are also strong points. The Roomba 694 has a compact round shape that allows it to navigate tight spaces, and its build quality is robust, ensuring longevity. For those who want a futuristic hands-free approach on vacuuming, the Roomba 694 is a top contender. At number 3, we have the Dyson V8 Animal Extra Vacuum. This model is a powerhouse, especially for pet owners. The V8 Animal Extra is designed to tackle pet hair and ground in dirt, making it lifesaver for homes with furry friends. Its digital motor spins at up to 110,000 RPM, delivering unmatched suction power for a cordless vacuum. The design of the V8 Animal Extra is sleek and functional. It's lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it easy to use for extended periods. The vacuum quickly transforms into a handheld for spot cleaning and reaching difficult areas like car interiors and upholstery. One of the standout features of the Dyson V8 Animal Extra is its whole machine filtration, which captures allergens and expels cleaner air. This feature, combined with its acoustically engineered noise reduction, makes it a quiet yet efficient cleaning tool. In terms of usability, the V8 Animal Extra shines with its hassle-free, hygienic bin emptying mechanism. No need to touch the dirt, just push a button to release it. The vacuum also boasts an impressive runtime of up to 40 minutes, providing ample time to clean large areas. With its powerful suction, versatile design, and thoughtful features, the Dyson V8 Animal Extra is a top choice for pet owners and anyone seeking a high-quality cordless vacuum. Number 4 brings us to the Tineco Floor One S3 Vacuum. This vacuum is a marvel for those who prioritize smart technology and efficiency in their cleaning routine. The Floor One S3 stands out with its iLoop smart sensor technology, which automatically adjusts suction power and water flow based on the darkness of the floor. This means optimal cleaning performance with minimal effort. The design of the Tineco Floor One S3 is sleek and modern with an intuitive LED display that provides real-time performance and power level updates. Its lightweight and maneuverable design makes it easy to glide across various floor types. But it's not just about good looks. The Floor One S3 is a workhorse. It effectively vacuums and washes floors at the same time, saving you time and effort. The vacuum's powerful suction picks up all kinds of debris, while the microfiber roller works to mop up stains and spills. Durability and usability are also key strengths. The vacuum's self-cleaning function keeps the brush roller and tube clean and odor-free. Plus, the battery life is impressive, offering up to 35 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. For those looking for a smart, efficient, and versatile vacuum cleaner, the Tineco Floor One S3 is a superb choice. Next up at number 5, we have the Eureka Airspeed Vacuum. This model is all about powerful performance and ease of use. Its powerful motor provides impressive suction strength, making it a great option for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors alike. The Eureka Airspeed is particularly effective at removing stubborn pet hair and debris. The design of this vacuum is practical and user-friendly. It features a lightweight and maneuverable body, making it easy to push and carry around the house. The vacuum also boasts a 5-setting height adjustment, allowing you to customize the cleaning experience based on your floor type. In terms of usability, the Eureka Airspeed excels with its washable filter and large-capacity dust cup. This makes maintenance simple and cost-effective, as you won't need to constantly replace filters or bags. The vacuum also comes equipped with a range of accessories, including a crevice tool and dusting brush, adding to its versatility. With its combination of powerful suction, ease of use, and durability, the Eureka Airspeed vacuum is a fantastic option for those who need a straightforward, effective cleaning tool. At number 6, we present the Shark iX141 Pet Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is a dream for pet owners, designed specifically to tackle pet hair and dander. The Shark iX141 stands out with its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll, which prevents hair wrap and ensures consistent cleaning performance. The design of the Shark iX141 is both stylish and functional. It's a cordless vacuum, offering the convenience of portability without sacrificing power. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to use, whether you are cleaning floors or using the handheld mode for above-floor areas. What sets the Shark iX141 apart is its multi-flex technology. This feature allows the vacuum to bend, reaching under furniture and hard-to-clean areas with ease. Additionally, the vacuum's Duo Clean technology is designed to work on both carpets and hard floors, picking up fine dust and large debris effortlessly. In terms of usability, the Shark iX141 shines with its easy-to-empty dust cup and long battery life, providing up to 40 minutes of cleaning time. For pet owners and anyone looking for a versatile cordless vacuum, the Shark iX141 Pet Vacuum is an excellent choice. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the eufy HomeVac H11. This compact and sleek vacuum cleaner is designed for the modern home. Its minimalist aesthetic with a clean white finish makes it a stylish addition to any household. But don't let its size fool you. The HomeVac H11 packs a powerful punch in its small frame, making it ideal for quick cleanups and spot cleaning. One of the key features of the eufy HomeVac H11 is its portability. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, allowing for effortless cleaning of surfaces like tabletops, sofas, and car interiors. The cordless design further adds to its convenience, offering freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled wires. In terms of performance, the HomeVac H11 comes equipped with a high-efficiency filter that captures fine dust particles, and its 5500 PA suction power is effective in picking up crumbs, hair, and other small debris. The dust collector is also simple to clean and empty, which is a plus for maintenance. Battery life is another aspect where the HomeVac H11 shines. It offers up to 13 minutes of continuous use, which is sufficient for quick cleanups. Charging is hassle-free as well, thanks to the included USB charger. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 vacuum cleaners to keep your home spotless. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, ensuring that you can find the perfect match for your specific needs. We hope this guide has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Stay clean and stay tuned.